Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to post photos and videos on Threads. So let's start the process. Open your Threads app. After it open, simply tap on this icon. Now, if you want to write something, simply write like I'm writing. The next thing is tap on this pin icon. So your gallery will be open. Now, if you want to post the video, then select a video, or if you want to post a photo, then simply select the photo, like I will select the photo. After selecting, tap on this done icon which is at the right top. Here is one more option, anyone can reply. If you want to get replies from anyone, then let it be as it is. But if you don't want, then tap on this one, and here is the option, profile you follow. Means only the person you follow on Thread can reply to this post. And here is the option mention, which means if you mention someone in your post means here, then he will be able to reply. But for me I will choose this. Anyone can reply after this. Tap on the option post, so it start posting now. I will show you by tapping on this view. So as you see, here is my post, which I post on Thread. So by this way, you can post videos and photos on the thread. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.